Hello and welcome to this video. This mixed media tutorial shows you how to make quick and easy 1/12 scale food coloring sets using plastic ends from cocktail sticks, markers, and acrylic paints. The materials to make the 4-piece set are in the description box below. Click the gray V shape on the right of the title. First, remove the ends of 4 umbrella plastic rods, or about 3/8 of an inch. Now snap it off. Next, gently sand the bottoms of the plastic pieces in a circular motion until the bottles sit flat on the surface. Place the pieces in clamps and use acrylic paints around each top tip or 2 millimeters down. Let dry. Use tweezers or clamps to color the bases with permanent markers, leaving 1 to 2 millimeters of clear space between the top and the base. To achieve the yellow bottle effect, use the yellow marker first, then color over with a light orange or peach marker. Let dry. You now have a 1/12 scale food coloring or die set. Thank you so much for watching.